Okay, it's actually not that bad. Why am I good at this?
God morgon.
Åh! Oj. Gud, det ser fint ut. Grim! Good morning, everyone. Grimbjörn! Kom, Grim! Hej! Oh, god morgon! God morgon, min lilla sockertopp! Oj, hallå? Nej, gå inte ner. Kom här! That's all I got. Round 2. Hej! Är du in i mitt täcke? Med min fot?
Welcome back to Svalbard, everyone. It's me, Cecilia. Sunny winter season is upon us. It might not be very sunny today, but the days are now full of daylight and beautiful views. As always, the weather is unpredictable and we're having more snowstorms again, but we're not complaining as there is no such thing as too much snow here on Svalbard. What I love about this time of year is watching the landscape come alive again. From a long dark slumber through polar night, our world is bright and clear again. The beauty of the winter world on Svalbard is unlike anything I have ever seen before. Massive glaciers, snow-covered mountaintops, we get to experience the wildlife thriving in their natural elements. Some of my favorite memories are made this time of year.
Kolla hur mycket snö som ska komma här på torsdag. Oops, don't mind me. Sorry. Hey! What a day. Hallå, Björnis. Hallå. Oh, this is... I have no words. Incredible. Oh. God morgon på den här vackra dagen. God morgon. God morgon. See how cold it is. I think it's about -9. What's absolutely mad is we're getting as much snow. Can you see that? I don't think so. I'll show you. More snow, like as much as this whole week. And this is just a little bit unusual, but it's also like the dream scenario. This is what we want. Today though, we're gonna have 18 meters per second winds. So that's gonna probably blow everything in the ocean. But if we get as much again, we're all good, you know? Then it's like reset. Snow angel. My pajama pants are holding up very well. I think this is gonna be a day where I'm just outside playing all day long. All darn day. Oh my gosh. Hey, Seffies.
Gotterier.
Gotterier. The sponsor of today's video is Babbel, or as I would say in Swedish, Babbel. Babbel is the best way to learn a new language. It teaches real-world practical conversation in the language that you choose.
En snöstorm.
En snöstorm! The lessons prepare you to have conversations about, travel and relationships and business and tons more.
För ett vackert landskap.
För ett vackert landskap. I always get lots of questions from you guys about how and where to learn Norwegian, and Babbel teaches both Norwegian and Swedish as well as many other languages. Kristoffer, vad önskar du dig i bursdagsgave? Blötkake. Babbel is scientifically proven to help you learn a new language in 3 weeks. And since they have a 20-day money-back guarantee, you can just get started right away. Click the link in the description to get 60% off your subscription. Let me know in the comments what language you want to learn. And thank you so much to Babbel for sponsoring today's video. Let's head back to it. Nom nom nom, gotterier. Krim, vi ska bada. Krim, vi ska bada. Åh, fy. Åh, visst, det här kommer bli kallt. Hur länge tror jag klarar det idag?
Jag vet inte.
I think we're gonna go for a 2-second thing. I just need to get in today and get out, Okay, it's actually not that bad. Why am I good at this? Okay, the whole thing is... That's kind of crazy. The whole thing is to let you get your breath calmed. And that's a lot more difficult than I thought. But now I'm actually okay. I'm not going to take my shoulders down today, I think. Ooh. Okay, I think this is going to do for the first one. Oh, that was so much easier than I thought. Oh my gosh. I think the worst thing now is probably my feet and my knees. So I'm gonna go in front of the fire. Get in, kom tillbaka, come back. Okay, debrief from the first one. I feel the rush of energy. Not as cold at all as I thought. I didn't go in with my shoulders because, oh look, mainly because it's icy and I think I need to sit in something. I might have something behind me. But now I'm doesn't even feel that cold. I don't know why I feel like I'm made for this. 10 out of 10, love it. Woo! Okay, now I'm gonna go in front of the fire for a little bit, or maybe just inside, okay? Okay, oh, the feet are always the worst. Okay, I'm inside now. My arms. But now, the only thing that hurts are my feet because they need to just get their circulation. Oh, that, calming that breath was so much more difficult. Well, not more difficult, but I've just gone in the ocean when I've been swimming. And when you're swimming, it's kind of difficult to calm your breath because you're doing something and it's so cold. But now when you can just sit still and just focus on that. Okay, I love this. I don't know what it is about ice bathing that I love so much, but I'm going to keep doing this. Maybe not every day, but we'll see. Next time I'm gonna get a thermometer for the water, and I'm also gonna bring a stopwatch just so I can have an idea how long I'm in there. Because now it felt like I was in there for 10 minutes, but it's 20 seconds, if even. But I think, oh, that was fantastic.
After my ice bath, I made a cozy fire to warm up a little bit. You might be wondering why one even decides to take an ice bath. And to be honest, I don't think I have a great answer. For me, I like the challenge. I like that it is so uncomfortable for a moment. And then you do get that great rush of endorphins as soon as you get out. It also has proven health benefits, but as with anything health related, it's all very individual. Today's video was a little bit shorter than usual, but I hope you still liked it. I will be back next week, so subscribe to get notifications on when I post, and head to the link in the description to check out Babbel and grab that 60% discount off your subscription. Thank you so much for watching. See you next week. Okay, bye.